Here, I'm afraid, in this weather forecast, we've already got the next batch of wet weather rapidly approaching our shores. In fact, after last night's rain, we've had over 60 flood warnings out across England and 2 severe in East Anglia. Now, it looks like most of us will see that wet weather arriving through the night and persisting through tomorrow. I think heaviest in northern and western areas, but most of us will have a batch of wet weather as we head to the start of the new week. A good inch or two in places, and we've got more waiting in the wings, as you can see, for tomorrow night. But ahead of that rainfall this evening, could turn a little bit foggy in some parts where we've got light winds, some clear skies, some dense fog patches for a time giving difficult driving conditions, but it should lift later on in the night. As the rain arrives, the wind will also pick up. We're looking at gales in many exposed areas, particularly the northeast of Scotland. So as you can imagine, it's going to be a mild night followed by a very mild day, but it won't feel that way because of the wet weather. A thoroughly miserable day for most of us. Even though the rain may ease for a time in southern parts of England and Wales, it will be reinforced in the afternoon, and northern and western areas will have a wet day, periods of heavy rain, a lot of hill fog as well, and not to mention severe gale force winds in the northeast of Scotland, windy for all of us. Then a succession of low pressures will move in across the country as we head up to Christmas. So at this stage, no sign of a white Christmas, but the Met Office are concerned because that succession of lows bringing wet and windy weather will of course heighten the flood risk. But for me, good evening.